The effectiveness of the torsion chip and its unsurpassed degree of protection is formally documented by the experts of the World Health Organization, a Moldovan patent, as well as by an application for an international patent. This makes it possible to distribute it all over Europe and almost all over the world. Let's do a test on the difference between the effect of mobile phones on the human body while using torsion chips protection and without it. Now, we will be using diagnostics by Vol's method. By measuring the biologically active points, we define the functional state of the human body. For a more precise evaluation, we are using Peresvet software, which was developed together with the Sechenov Institute. This software contains a technique called medical testing, which will allow to determine how a mobile phone affects a person using it. In the first case, we will do the testing without using torsion protection, and in the second case, with torsion protection installed on your mobile phone. According to the results, we will be able to easily determine the condition of the person at the time of testing. Normal values range from 60 to 70%, and the computer program will mark them green. If the results are below normal values, it speaks about a chronic process. If the results are higher, it indicates hyperenergy, such as an inflammatory process in the body. Now, we are measuring the biological points. We can see the registration process of the points on screen, and so we see the initial results. Next, we run medical tests and gather the results obtained during the use of a mobile phone without torsion protection. Now, we will see how the mobile phone affects the patient. We see an immediate decline of the result values. This suggests chronic problems and degenerative destruction. Here, we can see the circulatory system being adversely affected. The endocrine system is suffering. Now we will run the same diagnosis, but this time with the torsion protection installed on the mobile phone. And now we are clearly seeing the restoration of all the results. Moreover, some indicators are even better than the original ones. And now, let us take a look at the results in comparison. Here we see the results of the impact of a mobile phone on the patient's body when it is being used without torsion protection. And here it is clearly visible that the indicators have improved during the use of the mobile phone with torsion protection applied. The results speak for themselves. This chip not only protects us from negative effects, but also has a positive influence on our bodies. It really works. It is unbelievable but true. The development of this chip gives us complete confidence in our own security. This wonderful invention gives us the possibility to make full use of all devices without any worries for harming our health and the health of our children with hazardous radiation. From now on, when you give your child a mobile phone, you will be at peace because you will be able to find out his whereabouts at any moment, not having to worry that by doing so you can harm his or her health, and computer work will bring only benefits. We are on the threshold of major changes that once were someone's fantasy only. Now your home can actually be your castle, and you will be certain that you can ensure your safety and the safety of your loved ones. Protect yourself and your loved ones.